Accessibility for Ontarians with Disabilities Act, AODA. Introduction. 1 out of 7 Ontarians have a disability, and this number will continue to grow as the population ages. People are either born with disabilities, become disabled due to accidents or illnesses, or become disabled as they age. People with disabilities represent a large pool of untapped employment potential. There are many people who have made great contributions to society despite their disability. Overall, improving accessibility is not just the right thing to do, but it is also required by the law. Integrated Accessibility Standard. The Integrated Accessibility Standard addresses the following 5 areas. 1. Information and communications. 2. Employment. 3. Transportation. 4. Built environment. 5. Customer service. Integrated Accessibility Standards. Information and Communication Standards. All the organizations in Ontario must notify the availability of accessible formats and communication supports to the public. For example, Braille, audio formats, electronic formats, large print, sign language, captioning, assistive listening systems. Enforcement. The Accessibility for Ontarians with Disabilities Act will be enforced by government-appointed inspectors. The inspectors have the right to enter the premises to enforce the Act. The inspectors have the power to issue compliance orders and penalties. The owners and directors of the corporation can also be held personally liable for the fines and penalties. Customer Service Standard Plan. The Customer Service Standard Plan should address the following. 1. Communication. 2. Assistive devices. 3. Service animals. 4. Support persons. 5. Notice of temporary disruption. 6. Feedback process. Principles to integrate in the plan. The following principles should be observed when creating the plan. Dignity. Policies, procedures, and practices that treat persons with disabilities as customers and clients who are as valued and as deserving of effective and full service as any other customer. Example: during a sale presentation, a disabled participant with a speech impediment asks a question. The presenter takes the time to understand the participant's concern, confirms it, and addresses the issue just as they would with any other participant in the presentation.